Sullom Voe is an inlet between North Mainland and Northmavine on Shetland in Scotland. It is a location of the Sullom Voe oil terminal. The word Voe is from the Old Norse vagr and denotes a small bay and narrow creek. The Voe, the longest in Shetland, and partially sheltered by the island of Yell, was used as a military airfield during World War II both by the Royal Air Force and the Norwegian Air Force as a location for flying boats. With the coming of the oil terminal, the remains of the air base were upgraded and modernized to create Scotland.It Airport, which is primarily used to service the terminal. The first crude oil was discovered in the North Sea in 1969, and soon thereafter construction began on the oil terminal at Sullom Voe, northeast of the village of Bray, which became operational in 1975 and was completed in 1982, becoming the largest in Europe. Oil flows via pipeline from the Brenton Indian oil fields to be loaded onto tankers at Sullom Voe. It has recently begun to serve North Atlantic oil fields as well, when Shetland was identified as a location to provide pipeline terminal and support facilities for offshore oil installations in the northern North Sea. Corporations involved had expected to each build their own terminal facilities. However, wishing to minimize the negative impacts of the industry, the Shetland Islands Council, with power granted to it by the UK Parliament in the 1974 Shetland County Council Act, were able to contain all pipeline terminal facilities at the Sullom Voe site, now operated by BP on behalf of a consortium of companies operating in the North Sea and North Atlantic.